because we've just started and everybody's still cheery and not demoralised and depressed yet. My goodness. I know how to make everybody quiet, and it's just to say we're doing video. Okay, here's the Agrarian Sharing Network team doing a fundamental sort of primary task for the first season, which is labelling all these rootstocks, which are going to be going to, I think, 7 propagation fairs at the latest count. We've got an incredible diversity of rootstock here. We're very lucky in Oregon. We're basically the rootstock producing capital of the world. So the quality of the rootstock we have access to is absolutely extraordinary, and then we've spent the last few years sort of getting dialed into the best of the lot. So it's a sort of a classic example of how a bunch of grassroots volunteer enthusiasts can basically bring the most sophisticated ecological power in the world to bear on the great adventure in regenerative design. That over there is Professor Chris, who tonight heads off to Washington on a sign collecting endeavour. Yeah.